Hello and welcome to another update video about VAI Vaiot. It is one of the AI coins. I own some VAI as well, but as always with lifetime downtrend coins, I keep exposure low. It's a speculative game, and it's a game for more like the, getting into the bull run and so on. But yeah, VAI is a coin which started its life as with a lifetime downtrend, basically. So it's never really rallied in a decent impulse and found support in a corrective wave 2 afterwards. So we are currently testing this scenario. Maybe we do it now, yeah, because overall long-term chart, as you can clearly see, in doubt zoom out, yeah, there isn't really much where I could say, right, we are in a long-term uptrend, right? So whenever you go long and have a coin like that, it must be a speculative game because you're working against a higher level trend. I mean, you're in a downtrend here. So when you buy or when you go long, you're basically working against the higher level trend. You first need that trend to be changed to be back in an uptrend, which means you need to make higher highs, higher lows on a relevant time frame. And changing such a trend is a lot of effort, is a lot of work. That's why the support area and the setup here, the possible long setup here on this end, here on this side, is highlighted in orange. It is higher risk. And I don't necessarily have a strong view that we should find support here really. If we get close to the 78.6 FIB, I might add a bit more. I don't think anymore that we're going to see this as a yellow ABC structure. If we make a wave 2 here instead of an impulse, because this could also be impulsive, even though the move up, in my opinion, looks more impulsive than the move down. But if we make a correction here in an ABC structure, and we could still be working on that, then I think it's doing the wave 2 in one go. Okay, so now that it's broken, however, the 61.8 Fibonacci retracement at 10.6 cents, it opens the door, first of all, to test the previous wave 4 low. I would say this is a bit of a range. Yeah, so this is a bit of a range. It's not one particular price level that we need to be watching out for. I would say all of these areas here, roughly around, let me see. Here, I would say between the 9.6 cent level and the 8.8 cent level, this is an area of a previous wave 4. They tend to come back, these wave 2s tend to come back to a previous wave 4 of a smaller degree. So I wouldn't be surprised for it to get a bounce from this region. Also be aware that we are going to test the 10 cent level, which is psychological support as well. But in theory, it could max out this entire move. And the way we are coming down now, it suggests that, I mean, I don't even know if I go to the 4-hour chart, that move down here looks very choppy. I mean, it might even be worth reconsidering where I placed the B wave. I've got it here, A, B, and then here is a possible 1, 2. Yeah, and then maybe another 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Might get another 4, 5 afterwards. That might actually really take it down to that 78.6 retracement. In an extreme case, that would be 6.14 cents. So I think we've got a few levels to watch out for here. At the moment, very clearly, there is no sign of a reversal. So as you know, I've been skeptical about these AI coins to find support so early. So I'd rather be looking here for a little bit more downside. And then if risk is lower, I might add a little more as well. So we are looking here at the yellow support area that just highlighted as next level. So first of all, 10 cents, which probably will break the way it's going now. Then the previous wave 4 low. And then we've got the 6.14 cent level. I have to say very clearly that if we break below that level, we are probably going to make new lows, or at least retest the lows that we made already here in November, which then might be another entry opportunity for anybody who has not been involved at all in these AI coins so far. But for now, expectations are, even though it's classed as higher risk, that we are finding support in this support area, or trend reversal area at the latest at 6.14 cents, but the orange color should show you a lot about the risk, yeah, and just be aware that this is the level. If we drop below that, then yeah, we are probably coming down quite a bit lower. And just be aware of the risk with any coin that is in a lifetime downtrend. It is very important to be aware of this. So we have a move up. In my opinion, this move up was a diagonal. And as I explained in previous videos, if the move up is a diagonal, or any wave 1 is a diagonal, then you need always to see proof that the trend indeed has shifted from a downtrend into an uptrend by seeing and understand and waiting to see if it is actually going to find support in the wave 2 or not. Because until then, this could just be a corrective structure. I can count this as an ABC structure as well. And then another 5-wave move down. Absolutely possible, okay? So that's why diagonals are more risky. And what I also need to say, when the wave 1 is a diagonal, so again, it could be a corrective structure or a diagonal. So the alternative, which would be lower prices, would get active below the 78.6 FIB if we sustain there. But in a diagonal, when the wave 1 is a diagonal, the wave 2 tends to come down quite a bit. So it's not doing anything, let's say, surprising at the moment. Okay, that's my update about the VAI. I hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.